Hi, I'm Dari Frants. Welcome to my channel, and I'll show you how to place few videos at the same time in one video in Filmora. Okay, let's say we imported few videos into our Filmora project, and now let us make few of them to play at the same time. For example, this one, I'm drag and dropping it onto timeline, video 1, and let it be this one, and for example that one. Okay, now the video which is above others will be like in front of them, so we will see only the video which is on the top. If it's green screen video, it's easy. I'm clicking on it, choose tools, video, chroma key, and the green color removed. Ready? This is our video. Okay, and we can on the preview window click on it, change the size, change position, and everything will be okay. For the second video, I clicked on it. I will change its size. Let's remove this video here, and position, for example, to be visible the first one. And now I will remove our dinosaur here, or maybe here, wherever you want. Okay, now let's say we have to think about the sound, because all the sounds will be together. I'm clicking on first video and click on mute it. Second video, let us mute it, and the third one, let it be with some sound. It's not very good sound, let us mute it too, and import some music. Let's see. I think it works. Now, all the videos can start different time, as you wish. For example, at the very beginning, let us have this video, and the second one and the third one, let them start later. But they have to end at the same time. So let us see. For example, all the movie, let it be like 15 seconds. This is 15 seconds. Let's go to the first movie. I clicked on it, did right click, choose uniform speed, and I will change it duration to 15 seconds. Okay. Now the second video, let it start at 5 seconds, so its duration has to be 10 seconds. I clicked on it, did right click, choose uniform speed, and change it to 10 seconds. Okay. And the third video, we can move it here. Let us our video is done. Okay, but we can do it another way. In Filmora, we can go to split screen, and there are already prepared for us patterns for splitting your screen. Let's choose some of them. For example, this one. I drag and drop it onto our timeline, and now in preview window everything is visible, and I will go to our videos and choose which will be here and dragging and dropping them directly into preview window. Which one will be here? This resizes it a little bit. Like this way. To be nice. And which video will be here? Just resize it too. And this one. To do it like that. Something like this. And don't forget about the sound. This one, let it be with sound. This video has no sound. I'm clicking, and this one, let us mute it. Now, let's see what we have. I think it works. Okay, thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!